Let me guess, every time you travel or just head out for the day, your bag looks exactly like this. You've got the wall brick, the tangled cable, and of course, the heavy battery pack. I've tested hundreds of tech accessories here on the channel, and the biggest annoyance so far is always the clutter that comes with it. But what if you could replace all of those things with just this? This is the MOKiN 40-watt, 10,000 milliamp hour, all-in-one power bank. It's a fast charging wall adapter, a battery pack, and a USB-C cable, all crammed into one compact block. And over the last couple of weeks, this has completely replaced my travel charging setup. And if you want to grab one for yourself, after watching this video, I've left my affiliate link right at the top of the description down below. Alright, so let's talk about why this thing is actually so brilliant. The fold-out AC prongs mean you never need a separate brick to recharge your power bank itself. And because it has an 8.6-inch built-in USB-C cable, you can never forget your cable at home again. But my absolute favorite feature is the part that satisfies my inner tech nerd. It's this smart LCD display on the outside. Most power banks just give you a little LED dot to guess the battery life. This screen gives you the exact battery percentage, real-time charging wattage, battery health, and even the temperature. It outputs up to 40 watts, which is enough to fast charge your iPhone or your Galaxy device, or pretty much everything that charges through USB Type-C. Now let's talk some other pros and cons as well, so you know exactly what you're going to be buying. So one of the pros is the fact that the convenience that this thing brings is definitely going to be unmatched. At its current price of around 37 bucks, it's honestly a steal for a 40-watt charger and battery combo with a built-in screen. But one thing that is definitely missing here is magnetic charging with Qi 2 functionality. Honestly, if this charger had magnetic charging built in, I'd probably buy like 5 of these and give them all away to my family members. So hopefully MOKiN can address that in the future version. But for now, if you're a commuter, a minimalist, or someone who just hates carrying dongles and a mass of cables along with them, the MOKiN 3-in-1 is an absolute no-brainer. It has simplified my everyday carry, and I highly recommend it. You guys can check it out for yourself on Amazon. It has pretty good reviews out there. Plus, it's heavily discounted because of Prime Day right now, with over 30% off its usual price. I'll have my affiliate link down in the description below. As always, drop a comment if you have any questions about it, and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.